Hello again, this is Miss Lourdes, and today we will be making a folded book. So let's begin. For this project, you will need a piece of paper and some scissors. First thing you're going to do is fold your paper in hamburger style. Then you will be folding your paper hot dog style. Now unfold your paper, and we are going to fold the edge of the paper to the middle line. And we're going to be repeating that for the other edge as well. Now you're going to be folding it hamburger style again. We're going to be cutting a line down this line right here, only to the middle. Unfold it and you should only have that one cut in the middle. Now we can fold this into a book. So fold it hot dog style again, and then fold it in like this. And there you have an 8-page book. So for this drawing, we'll be doing a walrus in a beach chair. I made sure to get a reference picture to make it easier to draw the walrus. So grab a pencil and a piece of paper and let's begin. First we will draw the beach chair, so just follow along. Next, we can start drawing the walrus. I decided to add some sand and also a beach ball. We're all done. Don't forget to color in your drawing if you want to. That's it for now. See you next time.